Well, I heard some people used to throw away their overripe plantain, just like I used to do before I discovered what to do with it. Well, if you are in that shoe, come closer. Let me teach you how I made this delicious plantain puff. Yes, you heard that right. These two overripe plantain are looking like masquerade because I dutched them into the fridge so that it will not spoil, right? So I brought them out. I like to cut them into tiny chunks so I'll be able to blend it very smooth. Now, while you blend, you can actually add a pepper, atarodo, any type of pepper, but I decided to add a yellow pepper just to make it a little bit spicy, right? So that you won't throw up anytime soon. So when you do that, put it in your blender. You can add any other thing. You can add your onions, however you want your puff to be like. You get, add anything you want to add in it, and add a little warm water and blend like your whole life depends on it. I mean, who said you cannot? Don't mind me, Jerry. I beg, let's continue. Now, when you blend it very smooth, pour it in a pan, whichever pan you want to use, bakolo or anything, pan. Anyhow, this is my own pan. I poured it, raise it very well because I'm that part of Igbo person where we say everything they lost for our own tomot. So I had to drag every water inside that thing. Make sure my plantain is out. I love the milky puff, so I added milk to my own puff, added salt, my activists. You guys, I'm going to put the recipes in the description box so you go there and check it out, okay? Right, I added my vanilla, I added active yeast like I said, and I added a little salt and a very little sugar. I don't want it to be too sweet. I mean, if it is too sweet, you're gonna hate it, but it is mild and very nice. Very little sugar. So I now sieve in my 3 cups of flour. You can use any flour of your choice, right? But I decided to use all-purpose flour, okay? And after mixing, I make sure I mix it very well to incorporate. Mix it very well, then cover it for 45 minutes. Or even more, so cover it for 1 hour so that it will rise. Okay, after mixing it, like your whole generation is waiting for it to fail, well, you know that you can never fail. I had to cover it with a nylon bag. Guys, don't laugh, this is what I have. I covered it very well with a nylon and then placed a cover on it to hold it very well and left it there for 45 minutes. I left my 45 minutes. You can leave yours for more than 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, wow, yes, it did rise. So, and I was so happy. I had to pour some oil that I'm going to use to fry. Right, back to my dough. Make sure you stir it again when you uncover your dough. All right. Now, guys, trust me when I say this. If you don't have anything to put your puff inside the oil, use your hands. If you're professional and you know how to use your hands, fine. If you're not, I beg, use something, put them inside. You see all this puff, they fit for your hand anytime, anything. But guess what? Me, I don't give up. Anyhow, I take down. I got to do it. I used one of my measuring cups to put inside the oil and finally it came out well. I was so happy. Guess what? My daughter was just one side disturbing. Mommy, I love puff. I want puff. Is still there fire. Auntie, calm down now. She want to choke me inside the fire. Mama, I beg. I finished the whole puff, but guess what? The sweet part of it is that if you pair this plantain puff with oatmeal, God, it dey enter head. When don't worry, you go see I tried it at the end. After I made the puff, I served my family. In fact, we used it for breakfast. I served them that with oatmeal. I enjoyed it. We enjoyed it to the end, right? It was very nice. So you guys, I would like you to try this puff and then come back and tell me how it tasted. You can forget about using sugar. It will still come out nice. If you want, you can still add a very little sugar and it will still come out nice. So will you be trying this plantain puff? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have any question, just drop it. I'm there for you 24/7. All right, please, lovely, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipes. Like, comment and share with your loved ones, and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Try see sweet plantain puff now. Can your plantain puff ever? Even my daughter shall say she love man. Guys, just replicate this and tell me how it tastes. All right, good years. And I paired it with oatmeal. Like I said, my daughter even wanted granola on her own oatmeal. We're not baking, God help me. It was nice indeed. So See ya. I'll be waiting for you. This is Taste and Sip with Ozy Diamond.